Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Okay. Okay. Is everyone done the programs, whatever is given? No, I don't think everyone is done. Shall I show you the number? How many students have attempted? Yeah. You have confusion with the simple programs given. Then how will you do a complicated program or any programs given based on scenarios? How will you solve them, guys? Yeah. You can. Normally, 1,500 students take the test. But this logical program, only 500 students have taken the test. It doesn't take 10 minutes for me to pull the names of these students who have not taken the test. Got it? It doesn't take even 10 minutes for me. I'm not talking to students who have never logged in even once, okay? Who have not logged into test freshers even once, forget them. I'm not talking to them. I'm talking about other students. See, if this is your interest, I don't think it is good of me taking classes, guys. Not showing interest. This is a programming. The main purpose of the sessions are for programming, where you practice so that next day you come with some doubts. I explain. This is not your regular lecture, right? This is not your regular Java class where I sit and teach you. Tell me. I don't want to point out the student names. That is why I'm not done. But if this is repeated, right? Next time I will come with the names of the students who have not attended. I will give it to the management and I will ask them to block them from my sessions. Got it? Then you will not get your OTP for login for this class. I will take, instead of taking for thousands of students like this, let me focus on 20, 30 students, no? Even I can focus beautifully and can if I focus on 30, 40 students, they'll pakka get placed without problem. Huh? Okay. Fine. The questions, students who are really facing problem in any one of the question, a tough question, let me explain, okay? Oh, where did I keep my pen? Okay, fine. Trust me, whatever questions I gave, right, all these are still basic level questions. They're not tough, okay? There's no scenarios added here. It is all direct questions given to you. If I convert this to scenario-based questions, it will become more tough, guys. Right? So first I want Good. Okay, let me take up the questions. Just a second. Yeah, first one. Create an integer array of 5 elements, accept values from the user, and print elements at odd index only. Print elements at odd index. I think this was easy, right? Print elements at odd index. Let us quickly just bring. I have an array of 5 elements. Okay, let me say 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to print the elements present in the odd index. You need to display element index. Index should be odd. That is 1. So you should print 20, 3. So you should print 40. Got it? My output should be 20 and 40. Do you agree? Yes. This part for int I equals to 0, I less. Should I print everyone? Should I print everyone? No. I should not print everyone. I should print only if I is odd. This is I, right? This is I. So I should print only if I is odd. How do I print if I is odd? Index is odd, not the number. Index should be odd. So if I mod 2 equals to 1, got it? I will say SOP of A of I. That's all. That's all is my program. See, simple programs. That's all, right? Yeah, you can also write. I can also say I mod 2 not equal to 0. Even this is correct. Don't worry. That is also correct. Yeah. Done, done, done. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, even that you can do. For loop, you can start from 1. Yeah, good. You can start the for loop from 1 and you can update this by 2. Yes, even that can be done. Yes, you can do that also. Okay, perfect. So let's move on to the second question. Create an integer array of 6 elements, accept values from the user, and count the number of odd numbers elements in the array. Hey, this is also easy, no? Come on, come on. Did you understand this question? Create an integer array of 6 elements, accept data from the user, and count the number of odd number elements in the array. So what you should do in this question? Yeah, what is that I need to do? Come on, tell me. Assume that I have an array. Yes. Of what is the size given? 6. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 6, 9, 8, 9, 25. What is that you need to do? Should you print first? You understand. Should I? What is? So I should go to the array, check. Is this data odd? Yes. So count. Is this data odd? Yes. So count. Is this data odd? No. So don't count. Is this data odd? No. So don't count. Is this data odd? Yes. So count. Is this data odd? Yes. So count. Are you understanding? So totally now tell me, How many numbers you have which are odd? How many odd numbers we have here? 4. So now you need to do one extra job. What is that? You need to count. So I need to take one variable called as count. Do you agree? I need to take one variable called as count, and you should update that variable whenever the data is, right. So what is the logic for this? Come on, tell me, explain what is the logic for this. How do I write my logic for this? Yeah, everything is same. No much difference will be there. Come on, explain. I'll just say for, okay, before this, what I need one count variable. Int count equals to 0. After that, for int I equals to 0, I less than. After that, I plus plus. What is that I need to do? Check whether the data is odd. How do I check whether the data is odd? If data, so you should access the data, array address followed by index. You will get the data. Okay, you need to check whether it is odd. So not equal to 0. If this condition is true, it is odd. So I will go inside. What I should do now? I just have to say count. That's all. If it is not odd number, what should I do? Nothing. Outside, after coming outside, I need to print what? I need to print count outside the for loop. I need to. Understood, right? Yeah. Sorry. A of I modulus to not equal to 0. A of I modulus to not equal to 0. That's all right. Perfect. Easy questions. See, it's all very simple, easy questions. I cannot give more easier questions. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let's move on. Create an integer array of 10 elements. Create an integer array of 10 elements. Accept values from the user. Find sum of the elements. Find sum of the elements. This I've already done in the class. Some I've already done in the class, so I will not explain now. It was already done in class. Start array of 6 elements, accept values from the user and print only odd numbers in the array. What? This is more easy. What you should do? In this program, you counted odd numbers. Now instead of counting here, I will just say system.out.println a of I. You are just printing odd numbers. That's all. Instead, that's all right. Yes, perfect. No, test case will not fail. Why will it fail? It is correct. You might have done some mistake. Test case will not fail, guys. I have seen so many students who have got full marks. The question paper total marks is 22. There are many students who have got 22 on 22. Test case will not fail. If it is failed, that you have done some mistake. Okay? Perfect. It's okay. Move on. Find average of elements. You tell me, guys, what do you mean by average of elements? Same thing, no? How do you calculate average of elements? First, you need to, step one, find sum of elements, right? First, you need to find sum of elements. number of elements. Sum divided by number of elements. That's all, no? Sum divided by number of elements. That's all, right? What is difficult here? You already know how to find sum. You already know how to find sum. You just have to divide that by the number of elements over. You just divide that by number of elements, your job is done. That's all, right? Easy. See, so simple programs. Oh, God. Last one. Create an integer array of 6 elements, accept the values from the user, and print elements at even index. Ayyo. Now I feel like laughing. Why did I give so easy questions? Difficult. Not at all. Yes. So what is the same program? Here I will say, what is the condition? Wait, let me erase it. It looks odd. Now what is the condition? A of I modulus to equal to 0. That's all. That's all. Not I mod to Yogesh. It says at even index only. Oh, okay. Sorry. I read the question wrong. Sorry. Present in even index. Even index. So it should be I mod to equal to 0. I mod to equal to 0. Even index. Yeah. Sorry. I did not read the question properly. Sorry. Equal to 0. You will get the correct answer. Easy. Okay. So these were the questions that was given as test for you, but you guys have not done it. I'm not happy. Yes, there are many students who have done it. I'm not blaming. I'm talking about the rest of the students who have not done it. Okay, the majority part of the students have not done it. Around 40% have done it, 60% have not done it. Okay, forget. Let's move forward now. Oh, let's move forward. Okay, done. Okay, guys. Okay, so now what is the program for the same program like what we did yesterday, right? Yeah, it is very much similar to the program what we did yesterday. Yes. The only difference is you're not just telling whether it is found or not found. Times it is present. You need to count how many times it is present. Array. Okay. We have the data 10. Okay. And 30, 20, 30, and 20. So this is what the array I have. So what is that I need to do is now I need to read a data from the user, which is the key, right? Okay, I will read the data from the user. For example, key. Now assume the user will enter 30. What should be the output? 2. So what is that I need to do is I need to compare element. If it is matching, I need to increase the count. If it is not matching, I should not increase the count. You just have to compare and count. That's all. You just have to compare and you just have to count. Are you understanding? So what is that logic that I need to do? I will just say like this: for int I equal to 0, I less than, right? I less than array length. Okay. Array length. Now what is that I need to do? I plus plus. Got it? Now inside this, now tell me what is that I need to do? Compare the data key. Compare the key with the given data, right? So here I will say if so that is nothing but a of I. That's all. If this condition is true, that means it is matching. If the condition is matching, right? If the key is equal to the data, what should I do? Count. So I need one extra variable called as int count. I need one extra variable 0. The count will start from where? 0. Did you understand this? Yes. Now, what is that I need to do? If key is equal to the data, I just have to say count plus plus. If the key is equal to the data, I just have to say count plus plus. That's all. Do you agree? Now I need to come out of this loop. I have to say count is if count is greater than 0, if count is greater than 0, I will say system dot out dot println count. I just have to print the count. Do you agree? If count is not greater than 0, then what do you mean by that? Else, I should say system dot out dot println. I will say not found. I will say not found. Understood this? Logic, guys. Very simple logic, right? Yeah, it's a very simple logic. Yeah, no need of flag variable. Your flag variable is not required. Why flag variable is not required? Because I am this time taking the decision with the help of count. I am taking the decision with the help of a variable called as count. Therefore, flag variable is not required. Understood? Because if count is equal to 0, what do you mean by that? Data is not present. If count is 0, data is not present, therefore not required. Got it? Okay, easy. Yeah, you need to print count only one time. You need to print count only one thing. I'm printing count outside for loop. Okay, you're not supposed to print count inside for loop. Don't print count inside for loop. Okay, you need to count it only. You need to print count after the for loop, outside the for loop, not inside. Got it? Yeah, key is the variable. What is this key? The data to be searched. You need to create one extra variable that is nothing but your key variable, and you're reading the data from the user. You will read the data from the user. Okay, so let me write the complete program. Let me write the complete program. Just observe. Okay, so first let me say scanner. Okay, next I will say class A1. Okay, now here public static void main string args. Okay, so inside this, let me say I need to create an integer array a equals to 10 comma 30 comma 20 comma 30 comma 20. Yeah, 20 comma 30. Got it? Anything is okay. Now I will say scanner yes equal to new scanner system dot in. Now I need to read the data from the user, read key to be searched from user. How do you do that? Int key equal to a dot next int. Dot next int. I'm reading from the user. Got it? Now I want one count variable. Create count variable. Okay, I need to create a count variable. So let's create. How do I create that? Int count equal to 0. Now next what I need to do here, I just have to check for int I equal to 0, I less than, okay, a dot length I plus plus. Okay. Now for every data, I need to compare, right? So if key is equal to data present inside the array, if key is equal to data present inside the array, I will update count variable. If key is not equal to the data present inside the array, I will not update. I will not update count variable. Got it? So here for loop is completed. This is end of for. I will come out. Outside I will check if count is greater than 0. If count is greater than 0, I will say system dot out dot println. I will print count. If count is not greater than 0, dot println, I will just say, what is that I need to say now? Not found. Got it? I will just say not found. Understood this? Any confusions here? Okay, let us execute this code now. Okay, let me give the user input as 10. If my user input is 10, what is the expected output? The expected output is 1. So let me check. I should get the output as 1. What is happening? Hold on. I'll get timeout. What happened to the output? It is not showing the output. System.out.println. Am I printing the output? Yes, I'm printing the output. Why it is not displaying? Hey, I've written next int only, man. Uh, and now I'm getting an error. That time I did not get error. Now I'm getting error. Cannot find symbol. Oh, what did I say? A dot. Oh, it is not A dot next int. It is S dot next int, right? Yeah, scanner class. S dot next int. Yay, work. Maybe now I'll get time over. I got finally. Thank God. I got the output. Output is one. The status of program is success. See, output is one. The status of the program is success. Okay, let me give input as 30. My internet is so stable, man. I have one of the best internet connection. Okay, don't make me show you my internet connectivity. I can download a 4 if you want, I will show. There's some issue. I don't know what is the bloody issue. It is refreshing automatically. My internet speed. Do you need a better speed? So it's not the internet issue. I don't know what is the bloody issue. Okay, fine. Even I'm getting frustrated sometimes. Okay, forget. Now focus, 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 focus. It's okay. Keep all the issues aside, okay? Keep all the issues aside. Now focus here, okay? What if my input is 30? What if my input is 30? My output should be 2, right? So let me check. Server has become very slow, I guess. It's taking so much time, huh? See, I'm getting output 2. So my program is working correctly. Yeah, my program is working perfectly. Got it? Anyways, understood this? Understood how to solve this program? Good. A very similar question. A very similar question. Okay. Yeah, a very similar question I have updated as a quiz. Come on, take up the test. Take up the test. Go to active quizzes. You can see one quiz available. Go to active quiz. Go to active quiz. There is one quiz available. Please take up the quiz. Very similar, very much similar. So you just 5 minutes, you can solve it. Come on. Hey, wait, this is not the active quiz. Why is test fresher server slow today? Wait, just a second, guys. Is it reflected for you guys? There should be a question paper. There should be a question paper. Array logical program 6. Array logical program 6. Is it available to you guys? Check. It's not available, right? Yeah, not 5. Program 6. Program 6, basically. God. ಇದು I have added another question paper for the batch 1. ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. BAP1. ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ. ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕ್ವಿಜ್. No, status open ಇದೆ, and the time is also, it is like 8 o'clock. Start time is 8 o'clock ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Ah, 6 array logical program 6. Same BAP1. ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದೀಗ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ too much time to get the result. ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಈಗ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ. ಹಾಂ ಹ್ಞೂ 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 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ. ಗೈಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ನಾವ್ ಗೈಸ್, check now everyone. Yeah, please solve it. Refresh, you will get active quiz, please. See, I've told you, Vishal, already you don't have anything called as next care. How to read character, I think I've already explained, right? Hmm? You don't have anything called as next care. Okay, look here. Let me take A1. Let me import scanner class. Okay. Let me create scanner object. Okay. Now I want to read a character. S dot next char. Next char. Okay. And system dot out dot print. Let me just say A1 Java C A1 dot Java C. You don't have a method called as next char. Then how do I read a character? How do I read a character? You need to read a string. How do I read a string using next method? Okay. After calling next method, it will give you a string. From the string, I need to remove the first character. From the string, I need to remove the first character by saying char at and the index 0. Index 0. Got it? So like this, I can read a character from the user. Got it? This is how I read a character from the user. See, now it's work. Done. Okay, is it done? Yes, yes, you have to pass test case. Hey, you don't pass test case, man. You just click on test case. That's enough. You click on execute test case, it will work. You don't have to pass data. You just click on execute test case, it will work. Yes, come on. What is the program here? How do I write this program? I'll write the program over here. Look here. Yes. Import java.util.scanner. Right? So first here, let me create scanner object equal to new of scanner system.in. So scanner is done. I'm in class. I'll call you back later. That's okay. Yeah. I have created an object of scanner class, right? Done. So next, What is that I need to do? I have to create an array. So character array A equal to pass the data. Okay, you need to read the data from the user. You need to create an array of size 5. So here I will say new character array of size 5. Done. So now you need to read the data from the user, right? Read data from the user. How do you read data from the user? Zero I less than a dot length I plus plus. Inside this command, tell me what I should do. A of I is equal. A of I equals to s dot char at 0. Char at 0. Understood this? Yeah. That's all. So now data is ready. After reading all the data, what is the next thing now? Read a key character. Read a key character. Right. So how do I do that? Dot next followed by dot char at. Okay, what I need to pass here? 0. Now what you need? We need a count variable, right? So create a count variable for frequency, right? Line number 12. What am I doing line number 12? Ayode. Sushmita, I am storing it inside the array. Okay. I'm reading a character from the user and storing it inside the array. That's all. Got it? How do I read a character from the user? That is what I told. This is the statement used to read a character from the user. Okay. Fine. Go to line number 16 again. Create a count variable. So I'll say int count equal to 0. Int count equal to 0. Screen not visible. Is my screen visible? Am I audible? Okay. Done. Count equals to 0. Focus now. Yeah, focus. Int count equal to 0. Now what I need to do? Now you need to find the frequency. Find frequency. How do I find the frequency? Now tell me. For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. What is that I need to do now? I just have to check if key is equal to data present inside the array. To the data present inside the array, what is that I need to do now? I have to is completed. End of file. So finally, I need to print what? System. Print the count. Job done. That's all right. So now let us see whether our program works or not. Okay, I will save this as A2. Let me compile this Java C A2.java, Java A2. So let me enter 5 data. Let me say, for example, what all? A, B, and let me say again, A, B, and let me say C. So I have successfully entered 5 data. Okay, I've entered 5 data, right? Good. Next, I need to enter the character which I need to search for. So let me enter a character to be searched for. For example, let me say A. So A is present how many times? A is present how many times? Two times. Are you getting the output as per the expectation? Yes. So let us execute again for a different scenario. Let me give the input as A, B, C. This is my array. And now let me give the data as D. Do you have D inside the array? Do you have D inside the array? No. You don't have D inside the array. So what is the expected result? What is the expected result? 0. So are you getting the output as 0? Yes, I'm getting the output as 0. Understood? Did you understand this? That's all. This is how you write your program. This is your program. Okay? See here, everything we have repeated. Nothing new here. All these discussed. How to create scanner, you already know. How to create a character array, you already know. How to read a character, you already know. Right? How to search also, you already know. What is new here? Everything is same. Even test case will pass. Don't worry. Then have you written this program, everyone? Hey, how many times I should tell why to use char at 0? When I'm explaining that, where are you? Are you dreaming? Huh? How many times I've explained why char at 0, char at 0? I'm telling 101 times I've told. This gives string, char at 0 takes the first character of the string. English, it is clearly telling char at index 0. That is index 0. It will take the first character. Done? Okay. Have you done this? Any doubts? Yeah. Okay, guys. You all can take a break for your dinner and come back. We'll discuss little more. One or two more programs we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah. Take a break and we'll resume at 9:15. We'll resume at 9:50. Okay, 9:20 we'll resume. Don't worry. Okay, okay, okay. Chill. 9:20. We'll resume at 9:20. Meaning of frequency is how many times it is repeated. Satyan. Meaning of frequency is how many times it is repeated. How many times that data is repeated. That is called as frequency. Hi guys, I hope everyone are back. Yeah. So guys, I have added one more question. Logical program 7. Go to active quizzes. Go to active quizzes. There is one more question. Array logical program 7. Okay. Please get into it and look at the question. Look at the question. Read a from the user. So you need to read the name of the city from the user and store it. Read a character from the user. So basically, you will have two inputs. Okay. Input one is hello. Input two is, yeah. Input one is hello. Input two is yell. Output will be two. Got it? So what do you mean by that? Read a name of the city. Here, hello is not a city name, okay? But it should work like this. Don't ask me, sir, why is it hello? Okay. Read a character from the user and check if the character is present in present, display its frequency of occurrence. If not present, display 0. It is same as the previous program, only difference now it is a string. Yeah, everything same. Only difference is here it is a string. What is that you need to do? Small thing. Can you try it? Will you take it as a challenge and try it, or you want me to explain this? Come on, do it. Try it. Let me see. Try. Good. Try. Give a try. Test case also should pass. Okay. Okay. Give a try. How do you read a string? You read a string with the help of next method. You read a string with the help of next method. Next method. So I'll just show you that part. How do you read a string? Look here. Okay. People who know you can attempt. People who don't know, look here. Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay. Scanner yes equal to new. Let me say here string city equal to yes dot next. That's all. Okay, let me save this as A3. Let us compile this. Java C A3.java, Java A3. See, it's waiting. Let me say Bangalore. Are you getting back Bangalore? Yes. Done. What should be the output now? I say Bangalore and I say yay. Next input should be yay. My output should be 2. How do you achieve this? Come on. Yes, I am speaking Balasubramanian. I am audible to everyone. They're also responding to me. Guys, first of all, don't you know the difference between string and a character? A group of character is string, man. I use chara 0 only to read a character. Look here. If I say here dot char at 0, you read a full character. No. Will you get the full string? No. You get only that particular character. It is not a string. You get a character. See, char cannot be converted to string, it says. First, understand the difference, please. Okay? If I don't put that, now it is a string. Yeah, good. So the question is, yeah. So let me go back here. Let me go to a new page. So now you are reading the name of the city, right? Yeah. So your city is of what type? City is of what type? String type. Let me assume we are entering the name of the city. Say Pune. Let me say the name of the city as Pune. Okay. Next word, you have to. So that is nothing but your key. It's of what type? Char type. So now you will say N. What you need to do? I should compare. I should compare N with each and every character present inside the string. I should compare the character with each and every character present inside the string. Do you agree that? Guys, do you agree that? Yes. So now the question is, sir, how do I do this? How do I do this? There are multiple ways. There are multiple ways. Now, since we are learning you to convert, you can convert a string. I can convert a string into a character. Can convert a string into a character array. Got it? You can convert a string into a character array. So this is what you need to do. You need to convert a string into a character array. After converting a string into character array, you already know the logic. You can repeat that particular logic. Understood, guys? Did you understand this? String dot length method will give you length. It will give you length, size. What will you do with size? Will you check the frequency? No, right? You cannot. So I need to convert a string to character array. You need to convert a string to character array. You can do this. Okay. So how do I convert a string to character array? Now, yes, obviously the next question, sir, how can I convert a string to a character array? Is there any possibility that I can convert a string to a character array? Yes, we can convert a string to a character array with the help of a method called as to-char array. The name of the method, you have a method. The name of the method is to-char, C capital, A capital, to-char array. Got it? Yes. So this to-char array will convert data into an array of character. It will convert a string data into an array of character, and now you can store the address of this particular array and then write your logic. Did you understand? Once it is done, you can try your logic again. The remaining program, you can do it by yourself again, right? So let me take a simple program. Look, string str equals to, let me see programming. So what is the string here? Now what is that I need to do? Convert str into character array. Can I convert a string into a character array? Is my voice audible to everyone? Is my voice audible to everyone? See, for almost everyone, my voice is audible. Okay. So please, for students whom it is not audible, check your audio devices. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah. So now I need to convert str into character array. How do I convert str into character array? Very simple. I just have to call the method, right? So I will say str. Look here, str. Hey, what is here? Public. What is str? Str is a variable, right? What is that I need to say? Str dot to char array. Okay, to char array. That is what I need to do. Str dot to char array. Will convert string into character array object. Character array object. And it will give me the address of the array object. Right? Whenever you get address of the array object, as a responsible programmer, what you should do? As a responsible programmer, you need to store it. You need to store it. So to store it, what I should create? Variable. So I will create a character array variable. I'll create a character array variable. This method is creating the array object and it is returning back to me. The method is creating the array back to me. Understood till here? Can I access every character? Can I access every character? Yes, I can access every character. You know how to access data inside an array, How do I do that? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, and here I will say I plus plus. Now system dot out dot println, and I will say a of I. So will you get every character now? Yes, you will get every character. Look, Java C A4 dot Java. Getting it? Did you understand this one? Line number 8, you want me to repeat? Okay, I will repeat for the one last time. Listen now carefully, everyone. Phew. Hey, when I'm explaining, listen to me, or else bloody, I will put my hand inside the monitor and I will slap you. What else should I do? So slowly repeating. I am repeating so many times, first of all. Okay, fine. Listen. Listen. Okay. What is the task? Task is I have a string, okay? ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. In all languages you want me to tell. चुप के सुनो. Hindi. My Hindi sounds dumb, but it's okay. You will start laughing at my Hindi if I say chup ke sun be. Is that okay? Wrong. Then what is the correct way to say? Telugu. Mooskon చూసుకోరా. Tamil. మూడికిన్ పారడా. Yeah. Now, I'll stop teaching Java and I will start teaching languages. Other language. Instead of teaching programming language, I'll teach some other language. Hey, idiots, come back, man. Come back to the class. Marathi, sorry, I don't know Marathi. I'm really sorry, man. I don't know Marathi. No offense. Kannada easy, man. My favorite language. ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರು ಲೇ. The slang is awesome. I can have a super slang. Okay, hey, stop now. Come back here. What is the task now? My task is, I will write it again. Don't make me repeat this. My task is, I have a string. Okay. I have a string. I need to convert this string. Okay. What I need to do? I need to convert this string into a character array. I need to convert a string into character array. First of all, few people will ask why. Yeah, thank you. I got how to say in Marathi, Gab Basare. Nice, thank you. Now please focus here now. Focus here today. Focus here, everyone. Now the question is, sir, why should I convert a string to a character array? Why should I convert? Very simple. There are situations you need to convert a string to character array to access. What is the answer, guys? To access every individual character. To access every character. Okay, it becomes easy. There's one more way to do it, but now learn. Okay, to access every character. Yes, you can use caret also, but since I'm working on arrays, I'm teaching arrays, that's all. Okay, so focus here on arrays. You should know even this method, no? So come on, see, I need to convert a string to char array. Why should I convert a string to char array? To access every character. Understood this part? Did you understand this part? Any confusion here? One last time I'm explaining. Done, right? Okay, good. Now, the next question is, obviously, the next question is, how do I convert? Right? The question, what is the next question? How do I convert? Okay. How do we convert? Very simple. How to convert? How to convert? We convert it using by calling a non-static method of string class. Non-static method of string class. If you know non-static method, good. If you don't know what is non-static method, don't worry. In your branch, when the topic comes, they will be teaching you. I will not teach you now. Okay? By calling a non-static method of string class, the name of the method name is, what is the method name? Method name is array. Got it? The method name is toChar array. Understood? What is the method name? Yeah, the method name is toChar array. Okay. Now the question is, sir, how to call this method? What is the next question? How to call the method? How to call the method? How to call method? Yay, very easy. You can call the method like this. String reference, string object reference. You will have string object reference will be there, no? Dot string object reference dot toChar array. This is how you call. String object reference dot toChar array. Understood how to call the method? Did you understand how to call a method? String object reference, the address of string object dot toChar array. This is how I call it. Okay. Now what method will do? This method will give address of array object. What it will give? It will give reference of character array object. It will give reference of character array object. It will give me back. So you need to store it. Understood till here now? Understood till here? Any confusions? Yes? Good. So let me, yeah. How do you do it? You need to convert by calling a non-static method of string class. The name of the non-static method is toChar array. How do you call this method? You call this method with the help of string object reference dot toChar array. Okay? Done? Perfect. Now this method will give reference of the character array. Done? Perfect. So that is what I'm doing inside str. What is there inside str? Address of the string object. So I am giving string object reference. Str is a variable. Str is a variable which is having the address of string object dot toChar array. Give me the address. That address I'm storing inside the variable. Done? Perfect. Easy now? Did you understand this? Okay. Once this is done, I think now your job. Now the remaining job is very easy, which we have already done it. The remaining job is easy, which we have already done it. So did you complete that program? Did you complete the program? Can you complete the program active quizzes, logical program 7? See, we know data is case sensitive. You should remember that characters are case sensitive, okay? Since the characters are case sensitive, it will work according to the case. Now, test case will also pass, man. Do write the program properly. See, I will write the program. First, let me say import java.util.scanner. Okay, class A1. Okay, public static void main. Okay, so now here let me say scanner object is equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, new scanner what? System dot in. And next, come on, tell me what I need to do now. Read city from the user. How do I read city from the user? Come on, tell me. How do I read city from the user? String city equal to yes dot next. Yes dot next. That's all right. Okay. After that, what I need to do? Yeah. Read key character from the user. The character to be searched. Read the character to be searched from the user. So I will take character key equal to yes dot next dot char at. Is this correct? Is this correct? Understood till here? Okay. Now what I need to do? Convert string into character array. How do I convert a string to character array? I have already told you. Character array A equals to city dot to char array. City dot to char array. Easy. Till you're understood, everyone. Step by step, I'm going. Did you understand till here? Yes. Now what I need to do? Now search for key character in the array and count the frequency. And count the frequency. My main logic. Yes, you take two inputs. One is the string and one is the character. Okay. So now how do I do this? First, I'll take int count equal to 0. Int count equal to 0. The same previous program. Next, what I need to do? Logic. So for int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. So now tell me what is that I need to do here? Come on, what is that I need to do here, guys? Same thing. If key is equal to, right? Yeah, if key is equal to, come on, tell me what? A of I. That's all. If key is equal to A of I, what should I do? Count plus plus. Fully done. This is end of for. I should just print count system dot out dot print ln. I will print count. That's all. Is my program completed? Is my program completed? Yes, that's all. My program is completed. Easy. Curly braces not required if I have only one statement. Okay. Curly braces not required if I have only one statement. Done? Yeah, if not print zero, obviously count will be zero only, no? If the condition is never true, count will be always zero only, no? Yeah, you can use next line method, but it has a bug. So for time being, use next only. Yeah, you can use next line method, not a problem. Okay, so let us do, for example, Pune. Second input, let me say N. What is my expected output? Let me click on check program. My expected output should be 1. See, I'm getting output 1. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. Now let me change this input. Let me say X. Do you have X inside Pune? Do you have X inside Pune? No. So my output should be 0. Are you getting the output 0? Yes. Let me take some other name, like for example, let me take Bangalore. Okay. Now let me type A. Do you have A inside Bangalore? Do you have A inside Bangalore? Yes. How many times A is there? How many times? 2 times. So what should be my output? 2. Are you getting the output as 2? Perfect. So let me execute test cases. My test cases is success. 2 of 2 test cases passed. Look, 2 of 2 test cases passed. 2 of 2 test cases is passed. Test case will pakka pass. Done. Understood this program? Any confusions, guys? This is character matching only, no? I'm converting string to a character array and I'm matching it. If it is capital, it will not work, obviously. Look here, look here, look here, look here. Look here, let me say Mumbai, Mumbai, okay? And I will say M. How many times M is there in Mumbai? But you will get only one time. Because here you have written small m. How many sensitive? No. Data is case sensitive. Right? So see, you will get only one. Are you getting output one? Yeah. Understood? Yes. Yeah, that you can do. You want, you can do. For time being, let us do it like this only. Okay. Any other doubts you have in this? Gopi, this is the way you learn this first. Okay, if you want any other way, you should do it individually by yourself using carat method. Okay, there's no any built-in method to do it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's all for the day. Let us meet tomorrow. Done?